Professor Bhaskar Dasgupta, and I'm a consultant rheumatologist and a professor of rheumatology in the United Kingdom. I have spent all my working time as a consultant rheumatologist in the rheumatology department at Southend University Hospital, which is now part of the Mid and South Essex University Hospital. And I'm attached in the University of Essex, as well as the Anglia-Ruskin University in Essex and the Queen Mary University in London. Over the years, I've had a major interest in the large vessel vasculitis, and I've developed the understanding of the conditions called polymyalgia rheumatica, giant cell arteritis, and large vessel vasculitis. Over the years, we have published more than 400 original articles in these conditions. Very privileged to state that I was the first to report the elevation of interleukin-6 in both PMR as well as in giant cell arteritis. And the paper was published in 1990 in Rheumatology. Invite all of you to attend the POCRUS workshop, Point of Care Rheumatology Ultrasound, which really is inspired by the work that we have done already for GCA PMR. And we would like to bring these two conditions together as part of GPSD, the GCA PMR spectrum. I have had the privilege of bringing to rheumatology and look forward to seeing all of you attend the POCRUS workshop at the AdARRC in Dubai in October, where we can discuss all these issues. Thank you very much.